You're watching MVTV, and today we're bringing you into the field with the art of construction, looking at some of our favorite window and door projects.
So this glass is a huge pain in the neck. You have a little scratch in it. This is standard on Andersen. The competitors, it's a big upcharge to get protective film. The labeling, each panel tells you where it is when you install it. So this sticker is a big deal. With a picture, not just panel 204. What's panel 204 mean? Because you mean 4, 8, 9, we got 12 panels on this job that came in a big crate. So you have 2 of 4 of S31I or whatever. So now you know. That's what the whole ease of installation. Yeah. And I took footage while we were installing it too of how they came in, and we got Gunther operating it right off the bat before any of this floor. So that's the whole seamless, like Wendy's asking, how is this going to look when it's done? She didn't ask how it looks on the inside. Last time she came, she would have asked that. Because why is there this big step here? Because it was all designed for the wood to flush out. So now you don't ask that because it just makes sense. But she's going to ask, what's this out here? Well, this is going to get built up to be right below here. And so the grading, which way do you want water to go? Away from the structure, probably, right? And how do you help with having water come into your structure? Don't let it get there. Have a big overhang. So a front dam is what we call versus a back dam. So a dam, water going down a river, a dam stops it. A dam is on the threshold or the bottom of the door is a dam that allows the water to hit the system and roll away. The best way to not have to have a seamless inside to outside is to have a front dam, a big overhang, so water's way out there at the pool, can't even get in here. So that's the construction talk of all of these things to where it all gets built up and you kind of see it in action here.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss the newest episode. Thanks for watching another episode of MVTV. Click on any of the pictures to learn more.